Hey guys, Zeus here, sonsofolympusgaming. Today we're going to do an unboxing for the Black Canary model with the Batman miniatures game from Night Models. Like we've talked about, the miniatures for this range is absolutely awesome. Their poses are awesome, the sculpting is beautiful, and they really look solid once you put them together. That's what the finished product looks like. Let's open this guy up and see what's in there. First off, we have their card. There we go. So, on the left, you got their name, alias, what they are, who can hire them, their damage, what weaponry they use, special abilities, special rules, reputation is how many points they cost, and funding is extra in-game dollars you gotta spend on them. On the right hand side, willpower is how many actions they can take a turn, and the rest is their stats for the various categories for actions. Well, every box comes with that, the stat card for the characters that come in the box. Foam, we got our 30mm base, and here we have torso of Canary. You can see she doesn't have arms or head on there, so those will have to be added. There's her head. And you can see these pieces can get pretty tiny. So, and sometimes the joints from where they attach to the body are rather small. So it does take a little bit of patience to make sure they stick well. There's her arm. And the other arm. So while it may take a little while to get them stick together, they really do look fantastic once they get all put together. So again, there's Canary as she's supposed to look, and there's the pieces. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.